Welcome guys sa Cryptoquestph. Sa video na ito, i-update ko lang po kayo sa aking portfolio, which includes my buys sa SPY this week and when I'm possibly going to DCA or Peso Cost Average sa Bitcoin, and splashin na rin natin ang mga little bits of us learning together.
I guess we both have to learn together
As we move towards our quest to financial freedom. So, before we move on sa video na ito, I would just like to mention that the reason behind all of my investing ay dahil gusto ko ma-reach yung level na financially independent ako at ang pamilya ko.
Let's see you. Now let's go get it.
And right now, I'm living very frugal para lang ma-achieve ko itong financial independence number ko. And once I do, uwi ako sa Pinas and be able to pursue my dream of not just being able to live on my own terms, but possibly go pursue my old dreams of becoming a professional wrestler or go back to MMA or something similar. Yeah, but more on that in later videos. But for now, let's move on sa portfolio update natin. So currently sa lahat ng investments natin, we have a total of 15,053.47 USD or 845,892 pesos. And right now, we are aiming towards our first 1 million pesos. So we have $935 or 52,568 pesos on my SPY ETF investment, 2,500 USD or 145,275 pesos on my WBTC Aave DeFi investment, 9,418.64 USD or 529,256 pesos on my cold storage BTC investment, 2,082 USD or 177,000 pesos on my 401k. So I have 2 shares of SPY with an average cost of 427.74 USD and a total return of $15.04, up about 1.63% in total, which isn't too bad since nag-start pa lang ako mag-invest sa SPY noong September 2023. So on October 30th, I bought about 0.48 shares of SPY worth about 200 USD at the stock price of about 413.38 USD. And on Friday, November 3, I bought 0.70 shares worth of SPY worth about 300 USD. So itong 200 USD at 300 USD were money na nakastock lang sa aking Robinhood na dineposit ko lang doon every single week para invest ko dito sa SPY. And I decided na mag-DCA this week. Again, DCA o dollar cost averaging or peso cost averaging is yung bumibili ka ng isang investment vehicle, be it a stock or crypto, at a fixed amount and at fixed intervals kagaya ng weekly, buwan-buwan, o annually. And remember, the way I DCA or peso cost average is not the traditional way na nag-i-invest ako at fixed amount and at fixed intervals. As sometimes there's a possibility na maybe sobrang mataas na ang presyo ng stock, and if we could just wait and delay our peso cost average or dollar cost average, pwede tayo makabuy in at a way cheaper price so that mas malaki rin ang price appreciation na makukuha natin. So ang pag-DCA ko o peso cost average ko, gumagamit ako ng certain technical indicators kagaya ng moving averages o momentum indicators that signifies a buy signal or lets us know kung undervalued or overvalued ang isang stock or kahit anumang security or commodity na tinitrade mo. And this week, bumili ako ng SPY dahil na-notice ko na bumaba ang price ng SPY below the 10-week and 20-week simple moving average. As according sa mean reversion theory sa finance, it suggests that asset prices will eventually return to their long-term mean or average. This concept is grounded in the belief that asset prices and historical returns will gravitate toward a long-term average over time. The greater the deviation from this mean, the higher the probability that the asset's price will move closer to it in the future. So to put it simply, para tong magnet na mga moving averages na to,
That's why we're gonna need Magneto too. Eric?
That pulls the candles or price back to it. Even if kung bumaba siya or tumaas siya ng sobrang layo sa moving averages, babalik at babalik siya towards these averages at ito ang meaning ng mean reversion. So we can see this idea playing out on the chart as we can see na bumabalik na naman ang SPY towards its mean, which is the 10-week and 20-week simple moving average, and there's a possibility na mag-deviate ito whether below or above. And I also noticed na parang na-break na yung uptrend ng DXY as we can notice that there is an inverse between the DXY and the SPY, which we could also use as a guide dahil recently itong uptrend ng DXY all of a sudden nag-drop about 2% and reflected back with a 5% increase in SPY. And lastly, meron rin fear and greed index na ginagamit sa stock market na may mga set criteria sila to measure sentiment in the market. And just one of them for today is yung 125-day moving average. As you can see, nire-retest ng S&P 500 ang 125-day MA. And currently, we are at the fear level, so I bought SPY simply due to this dahil isa akong contrarian na investor.
You're either contrarian or you're a victim.
So, with regards naman sa crypto o BTC investment ko, we are up 30% and everybody is excited with what is going on sa mundo ng crypto. Pero pause na muna ako as I'm trying to stay chill dahil naghihintay pa rin ako na mag-retrace ang BTC to a new support level. As we can notice na meron na nag-play out na bearish divergence sa RSI sa daily chart ng BTC. So, if you reached this point in the video, I would just like to say thank you for giving your time to me. Hopefully, I made it productive. And if you like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And once again, this has been Mark of Cryptoquestph, signing out.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.